coming in where Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, we are told, will be holding a meeting on the border area development that is taking place. This is coming at a time when there has been a lot of infrastructure development that has also taken place along the LAC. So this breaking update coming in where Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh himself will be chairing this meeting that will be taking place today, and this comes at a time when the border area development will be the focus of this meeting that will be chaired by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh. And this comes at a time when we're looking at a lot of border development infrastructure projects that have been undertaken at the LAC itself on a part of India due to increasing tensions between India and China. And Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh himself will be holding this meeting. This is in regards to the border area development where he will be chairing this meeting. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, is with us. So what is going to be the agenda of this meeting today, Aishwarya?
Scheduled meeting of the Defence Ministry, and then Raksha Mantri is going to chair this meeting. This meeting is in regard to the developments in the border areas. This is not specifically with the LAC. This is across all the borders of India, that is Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, and then so on and so forth. So yes, this is a pre-scheduled meeting. We are being told that the BRO, that is the Border Road Organization Chief, is also going to be there. So it is in regard to all the development projects which are on by the Indian Army in all of those borderline areas, keeping in mind that the present situation which has been going on with China. That makes this meeting more significant and thus more important. Rajnath Singh had categorically said, and we've seen from the statements coming in from the Prime Minister as well, that our development projects are not going to stop because of anyone's pressure. So yes, the Indian Army and then the Indian government has its line clear that their development projects in the borderline areas are going to continue.
Aishwarya, also that the reports came in of how when it comes to the BRO and undertaking such projects, not just at the LAC that you mentioned, but three very important and strategic bridges that have been built at Nemo. And this comes at a time when it is of high importance, looking at the tough terrain, whether be it at the LOC side or even the LAC side, how infrastructure development in the shortest time possible should be the top agenda and priority of the government.
But the irony is that for the last 40 to 50 years, it was not. And it was felt that no development is the best strategy vis-a-vis Pakistan and then China. And that has created a lot of gaps. That has created a lot of vacuum of infrastructure development alongside our borders. And hence, the present government feels that it needs to up the ante. The present government feels that it really needs to press the accelerator in this regard. And hence, as we've been saying, that this meeting was pre-scheduled, but in the present scenario, it makes this meeting more significant and also gives a clear indication to all our neighbors that irrespective of whatever their policy may be, our development projects alongside border areas are not going to stop, Amita. The government of India is clear about it, Prime Minister is clear about it, and hence Raksha Mantri also chairing this meet. And as we said, this is not specific to China. This is along LAC, LOC, and also Bangladesh, and then so on and so forth, the northeastern states as well. So yes, all of this is being taken into account. All of those development projects are being reviewed. It's a normal process, but it sends a message out to each and every individual and then the countries that irrespective of whatever their feedback may be, Government of India, the present Government of India is not going to stop any development projects alongside the Indian border areas.
Aishwarya, thank you very much for the moment. So high time when it comes to the development projects and the infrastructure development that has been ignored for the past so many years. And this is regarding not just our borders with China, but also our neighbors from the east to the west that will be covered in this meeting today that will be chaired by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh. Let's move on now and